Hi friends, it's Jade, ready to help. I'm Mila. I love solving puzzles. Help us along the way. Sammy here. Let's make it fun. Group hug! Yay! What's that sound? It's coming from the tree. Look, a little bird. It looks scared. Poor little bird is stuck and scared. We need to get her down safely. I'll climb super fast. Whoops! We share ideas and help each other. Kindness first, let's be gentle. I'll get the soft stuff. Life got you, little bird. Hey, little guy, you're safe. Yay! Hey, safe. Now we need to find her home. Look for clues. Wait, flock, flock. Don't worry, we'll fix your nest. Sanus and sharing make the world kindness. G nice to add the grass. Bye, friends.